Okay. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I really want to say any goodness that you guys see in me is a reflection of the school community that I have really grown up in. I've been here for 13 years. And so I can't accept an award like this without acknowledging Miss Camille Jackson, Miss Wilson Jones, Mr. Holmes, Miss Evangelista. I'm gonna miss somebody, so please don't be upset with me. Dr. Piegler, Mr. Burks. It's truly a reflection of them and what they've taught me and who I get to do this work alongside with. I'm so inspired by my students. I'm gonna cry, I didn't know this was gonna happen. I was looking around like there's so many people this could have gone to and probably should have gone to, so thank you guys so much for, I don't even know who to thank for nominating me, but thank you guys so much. I'm truly grateful, but it's truly for you guys that we do our work not just me, but all of us, we do our work every day. And I'm very, very, very grateful to be able to do this work for you guys, or with you guys.